No fishing today.
Haha.
But we're going to the store.
Wait, can we stop it?
Yeah. Well, we're restarting it. No fishing today. Grocery shopping day. Driving the wife's car.
No fishing today.
We're doing this again. We're doing another intro.
Yes.
Why?
Because.
I'll just ruin this one now.
Oh my.
I've already. No fishing today. Take number 5 of the intro. So what's new, Lexi?
Nothing.
Tell me something new.
Drink of the day.
Oh, look at that dog on a.
Oh, what the heck? He wants to go to Aldi's, which is not my favorite for a big grocery shop.
Fine, we can go to Walmart.
It's only because he's on video, y'all.
No.
Well, I actually don't care either way. So.
Pause it so we can decide real quick. She just thinks this is a mirror.
I just don't know what to say.
Emojis. Say hi.
Gotta get Matt's favorite. Peace. Uh-oh.
Neck. Bananas.
This is a no list. What are those?
Where's the bread I like?
Which bread do you like?
This one?
Honey wheat?
No, I remember they had some super soft bread. Remember it was big? I think it was this one. No, it's keto bread. Oh, this one. This one right here.
Oh, yeah. I forgot.
This stuff's good.
Crazy.
Hey!
3 ingredient bread. I know. I haven't seen these here before. Ooh, those are.
Can't forget these. You got a snack? Are you all better now?
Mama.
There you go. Take it. garden. Some peppers. We got hot banana. Some orange bell peppers. red bell peppers. Some jalapenos, mammoth jalapeno. And jalapeno. We've gotten a lot of rain the past couple days. I'm not sure. What is this? Mushroom?
No.
Is that your car? Oh, there's water in it. It's full of water. Let me see. You gotta let it dry off. Oh, what's this? That's a snake skin.
What is that?
Snake skin?
I bet that's what got today.
That's snake skin. Oh, it's a little snake. I wonder where it's at.
Can you say stick? Oh man. Oh. No.
Say hi. No. Bang 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 bang. Did I not read it good? Huh? Can you read it to me? Where's your foot? Where's your hands? Alright guys, for dinner we're going to be doing some grilling, some steaks, some skewers, and jalapeno poppers. So I just got my chimney starter with briskets. I did really like these lump charcoal, but I ran out, so I threw in some hickory chunk. So, and I've been using these fire starters to start it. Works really good. There we go. What are you doing, man? It's a little early to put this in there, but it'll be alright. Just talk to the camera. start with these.
Yeah, I would, because I don't know how long they take at all. Some nice steak. We're just baking it up. It's okay.
You driving me crazy this week.
Mama, what are you doing? You're dirty. You've been playing outside? Maggie, are you jealous? Wow. Wow. Oh. There you go, boss man.
This thing's got a little out of control here. But they're done. So I put these on their sides. Alright, I think our steaks are good. Close this. Close our vents. Let's go eat. Let's try one of these poppers. Dinner. Steak, meat on a stick, and more meat wrapped around something else. Meat on a stick, man's oldest invention.
Brushy, brushy, brushy. Oh. Oh. No, no, Mama. No, no. Are you getting ready to go night-night? Played so hard outside today.
Here you go. Go.
With a toesy. All done. Say say night night. Oh.